Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Select hue and saturation. Click this hand button and select the color. Now guys, the most important area is this. If you move the hue, see it is affecting the screen also. Now Control or Command Z, set this area, bring it here and a little bit here. Now change the color. See, it is not affecting the skin. If you increase the saturation, skin is good. Now control the light. Now set the color as you wish. You are done guys. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I see you in the next video.